Today is more than just a bike build. It is an opportunity for this company, who's been committed to our community and to our organization for over 2 decades, to really lean in and to make a difference in the lives of our young people.
We've celebrated the great history of this company, but also looking forward the great future we have because of all of you. But we've done that the way our founders would have wanted us to do it. We're going to build 200 bikes for our 200th year anniversary. Now, this is our 3rd year of Build the Bike, so when we're done today, that'll be 388 bikes we will have provided for kids at the Hartford Boys and Girls Club who don't have a bike.
We are extremely appreciative of your generosity. We are honored to name you our 2025 Champion Youth of the Year. Our kids just want to know that caring adults are here every day supporting their ongoing journey. So when they walk through the doors, they leave our program with a path for a future and a plan for success. So thank you for this honor. Thank you for your time today. And we are greatly appreciative of your generosity.
Again, I want to thank everybody and happy birthday, Liberty.